Heavy rains have again destroyed many hectares of food crops belonging to small peasants in the northern Tarime District of Tanzania. The crops included maize, beans, bananas, and cassava, which is the major food crop in Mara region. Mr. Elias Nyantori and his wife Zaniabu say the rains have left them without hope to harvest during this season.
Tumeadhirika hapa, njaa imeshaingia tayari, maana mazao yameharibika unavyoyaona. Ikiwezekana kama kuna msaada kutoka mahali popote pale, mimi nasahili kusaidia sababu na familia kubwa sana hapa.
This is hunger, and if possible, I am appealing for food aid because everything has been destroyed by rains, and I have many children.
Sisi mvua ilinyesha hapa kubwa sana. Mihogo imeharibika, imepigwa na mvua ya mawe na mahindi kuharibika. Yaani hapa tumepata shida kubwa sana.
This rain has badly destroyed our food crops, including cassava, which is our main food crop. Tarime District Agriculture Officer Mr. Silvanus Gwiboha confirms the destruction caused by the rains, describing it as a disaster.
It's just to deliver the information to the committee, the district committee, which is chaired by the district commissioner, so that we can look at the alternative of delivering the seeds, the short rain seeds, so that they can replant their fields to cover up the loss which has happened. And maybe the next thing is just to prepare ourselves for the disaster, because this looks to be like a disaster.
This is the second time for a period of not less than 1 month for heavy rains to destroy various food crops in Tarime District of Mara region. Mugini Jacob, Voices of Africa in northern Tanzania.